There's a new AI that's making professional video editors genuinely nervous because it does in minutes what used to take them a full day. And I'll tell you exactly where it still can't replace them, because it can't, not yet. The feature that spooks editors most is one nobody expected. The tool is Descript. It edits video by editing text. Your footage becomes a transcript and you edit the words. Delete a sentence and the video cuts itself to match. No timeline scrubbing. Here's the scary part. All those ums and long pauses, one click removes every filler word in the whole video. What took an editor an hour of tiny cuts now happens in seconds. And the one that really spooks people. If you cut a word by accident, it can generate your voice saying the fix. You type it, it speaks it in your voice. That's not editing anymore. That's rewriting reality. Powerful and a little unsettling. Now the honest limit. Descript mishears names and technical words, so it'll cut the wrong thing if you trust it blindly. Always read the transcript before you export. And for cinematic high-end edits, a real editor still wins on taste. So should editors panic? No, but they should learn it. It kills the boring 90% and leaves the creative 10% to humans. That's a tool, not a replacement. That's the AI making editors nervous. And exactly where its power stops. The link's in the description. I only show tools after I've actually used them. Follow for the honest version first.